All right, ladies and gentlemen. So just really quickly, if you missed class or you were really confused and were able to get it set up, I just wanted to walk through how to join AP Classroom. So AP Classroom is a very important website that we're going to be using through College Board. For those of you who are not familiar with College Board is the company that actually makes the AP test and verifies that our classes are college level material. So we're going to be using the website for some different types of assessments and work that we're going to be doing throughout the year. It's also how we verify with them that you're going to be taking the test later on through the year. So it's very important that you get this set up and that you get logged in. Okay, for some of you, you're already going to have a College Board account. If you have taken an AP class already, then you're going to have already done this. So your system is going to be a little bit different and honestly potentially challenging if you don't remember all the steps. So first thing you're going to do, and this is for everybody, you can go ahead and go to myap.collegeboard.org. Okay. Once you get there, you're going to see this screen pop up. So sign into your account and get started. If you do not remember your account, it is critical that you do not create a new account. Because what's going to happen is College Board also is going to be the system that registers your SAT and that carries over when you apply to college. So if you have multiple accounts, it's actually potentially going to mess up anything from scholarships to financial aid to just being able to get into the college because they can't find your information. So do not make a second account if you don't remember. I'll let you know how to do that if you forget. To give you a refresher, if you took an AP class at Bullard, then we strongly encourage you to use a password using this model, a password and username using this model. So first initial, last initial, student ID. So my name is Chelsea Alva, so it would be CA12345, whatever my ID would be. So the example, John Smith, that's the ID, is GS123456. Okay. Your password was encouraged to be your Atlas password with a special character at the end. So for a lot of you, the simplest way to do that was to put an exclamation point at the end, but it could be a period or a dash. It just couldn't be a letter or a number. If you still cannot get in, okay, I cannot help you past this point because College Board is an outside resource. It's outside of the school. I cannot help you get access. So if you cannot get in, you cannot remember, do not make a new account. You'll need to call the number here at the bottom when it pops back up. And it'll pop up here in a second. I'm sorry that I hovered over it. There we go. So you've got the College Board help desk there. They will help get you set up with a new username and new password and not accidentally set up a second account. If you are new, you've never taken an AP class before, you are not going to have a College Board account. So you're going to go to myap.collegeboard.org and you're going to scroll down and click create an account. You should follow the same model that we encourage the rest of the students to do. If you vehemently do not want to do that, you want to do your own thing, write it down. I don't know, but put it somewhere where it's going to be safe because you cannot create a new account if you lose it. So I strongly, let me move myself. So you are strongly encouraged to create a username using the same model. So first initial, last initial, student ID. Once we have done that successfully, this is what should pop up. So this is what you should see. Once you're logged in, you're going to see this screen. And you're going to see down at the bottom, join a course or exam. So go ahead and click on that. Okay, then you're going to be prompted to enter the course code. This code here is our course code. So DPQ6ED is what you're going to enter here. Okay, so I'll give you guys a second to enter that. All right, and then you will submit. Okay, don't worry about capitals. It's all going to capitalize anyway. Then you'll be prompted to confirm the course, so go ahead and click yes. And then you'll be prompted to register by filling out the following information. You may have already completed this if you have taken this class before. Okay, and once you see this, you've enrolled in AP US History, you're done. This is what you should